Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can save Instagram Reels to your gallery. So saving Instagram Reels can be really useful. You could have seen something that you really liked and want to save it to your camera roll. Or you could have just posted something a while ago and wanted to get that reel back, but you weren't successfully able to save it to your gallery. So I'm going to guide you through and show you the ways and how we can do that now. So to start with, you first want to have your app open like so. And you just want to slide to the left, which will bring open your camera. Now this allows you to do posts, stories, reels, but what also allows you to do is change the settings. So in the top right corner you can see this little cog icon. What we want to do is click on that, which will bring open this. And then from here we just want to click on Reels. Now automatically save Reels to your device will be turned off. So what we want to do is turn it on, and saving Reels to our device is now active. So that basically means all future Reels you post will automatically be saved to your camera roll first, so you never lose them. So I hope you found this video helpful and hope you successfully managed to save your Instagram Reels to your gallery. If you did, please comment down below to say that it helped you out. It helps a bunch. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.